Okay, so welcome back. We are just fishing in this small pond. It's real shallow. It's about 3 acres. I did forget my pedals today. I don't know how I did, but I forgot them. So I have this big gaping hole in my kayak. But so weird.
So windy.
In the middle of these 3 trees, it's really shallow. Oh yeah. I don't know. Oh yeah, I got a good one right here. Oh, he's tangled up in this tree. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a 20. That's 20. Okay. You got tangled up in this tree. Did you get that on your camera? No.
I was still paddling. I might have actually, I don't know.
Okay. This is what I come to this lake for. Oh yeah, that's a nice fish right there. Okay, so I'm gonna paddle out of these trees, cause, huh?
It's a big blowout.
Huh? Okay. Well, we got this 19.5 on the board. Big fish. Pretty one on the wacky rig, on that pig stick from Crush City. That other fish. Bass fishing. Oh, I got a giant. Oh, I got a giant. Oh. Oh, I'm wrapped around the tree. Wrapped around the tree. Oh. I got a giant. I'm in the tree. Oh. Oh yeah. That's a big one. Big one. I'm literally in the tree. Oh, I think I might. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Boom. This might be a 6. Yeah. I don't have a scale. You have a scale? Yeah. Epic. Oh yeah. Good fish. Boom shakalaka. Giant bass. Dave Mercer like. Big one right here.
Oh, that's a monster.
Oh, this one's probably a 21. Hook barely in there. I was so close to losing that fish in that tree. switched camera angles too, so now I'm a big fish on 2 different camera angles.
Nice.
Okay, this is a so happy you have a scare. Yeah.
Can you hand me a wacky rig? And I got an O-ring
Okay.
when you finish with that.
Do you need a Yamamoto?
Yeah, that would be nice.
Okay. Gonna get a release on this guy.
Do you want to weigh him first?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you have the same skill I do.
Yeah. All right.
I just wanna take a selfie. Okay, we just got this 20.5-inch giant. Another one. We're about to just weigh them real quick before we give them that release. Okay, that is a 5'1". So 5-pounder. Your turn. You need the scale
I need
still.
a fish, yeah. I had a bite, but I wasn't paying attention.
Yeah, the wacky worm here is in the slow bait.
Yeah.
Here, take that pack of hooks.
Okay, thank you.
Please, do you have any, or what bait are you using?
Yumdinger.
You're a bass fisherman too. The Yamamotos just work better. Bass know. They can sense it. Now, also, when you're fishing, wacky rig tip number 1. Never be too afraid to retie. Because retying with the wacky rig, you're on fairly light line, and so if you don't retie every once in a while, they will get you. That dock and those trees on your the side of you are really good. Do you have a bait for your weightless Texas?
No, I don't.
Okay. I'll come over there in just a second and we can. Okay. So, I'm only fishing like very specific targets. Where have you gotten your bites?
I got one bite. It was, you see where there's three kind of trees over there?
Yeah.
The one in the middle.
Okay.
Didn't feel like anything super crazy.
Yeah. After I get around the whole lake with the wacky rig, I'm going to switch to something else. But man, it's so much easier when you have pedals.
Yeah.
But
And when it's less windy.
yeah, I didn't think it'd be windy. Otherwise, I would have thought to bring the motors.
Yeah.
And then yeah. And really bringing the motors isn't any work unless we have 3 kayaks.
Yeah.
So we should have.
Yep.
We know for next time. Wait, there used to be a dock right here. There's not a dock anymore. Is it sunken? I'm 100% sure that there was a dock here. Okay, and I swapped y'all back to the chest mount, and this was what I just caught that 20 on, and you can see that the line is extremely frayed, and so I'm definitely retied now.
Yeah. It's definitely worth bringing motors for.
Yeah. Some of the lakes, the wacky rig. We're about done fishing for the day. We caught some really nice ones, and so we're definitely gonna be back here. If you like the video, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe. Thanks for watching.